What is going on, guys? Tech1G here, back with another episode. Finally back to producing videos for you amazing people out there. So today we're going to be talking about this, right? The Samsung Galaxy A8, right? For me, it's been a solid phone for the past couple of months, and I definitely feel that if there are people out there in the market looking for a good mid-range Samsung phone, you want to jump into the Samsung ecosystem, you want to get a good phone for either your family, your friends, or even for yourself this upcoming festive season, I definitely think that this should be a phone you should be looking at, right? Considering that it does come with the Samsung Exynos 7885 chip, bundled with 4GB of RAM with 32 or 64GB of storage. It does come with a micro SD card slot, so definitely with expandable memory of up to 256GB, right? So if you want to get this phone to download a lot of apps, you want to play games at good frame rates, you want to open and close apps fairly smoothly without breaking the bank, I definitely think that this is a phone you should be looking at, right? It does come with an IP68 water and dust resistance, so definitely you can take this to the beach. You can have a great day at a pool without worrying about water sinking into your phone and damaging the internals, right? Software wise, it does come with Android 8. Samsung is lining it up to receive Android P or Android 9. It does come with TouchWiz, which is Samsung's skin on top of Android. So if that bothers you, then you should get a launcher from the App Store. Just put it on there and problem solved, right? Moving on to the appearance, right? Samsung has decided to go with the 2018 look, which is basically a metal glass sandwich, right? By that I mean there's glass on the back, glass on the front with this metal aluminum frame. So definitely, as you guessed it, you do get a lot of fingerprints on there. So definitely I hope I could get that on camera, right? So yeah, looking at that, if that bothers you, you can get a skin, but Samsung does hook you up with a case in box, so definitely you can put that on there and problem solved as well, right? Now looking at the screen, it is a 5.6-inch display. It is a 1080p AMOLED display, so colors will look fairly vibrant on the screen. You can consume content pretty well, and yeah, if you want to use it, if that's what you want to use your phone for, then yeah, this will do the job pretty well. And looking at the next thing, which most people would have said that, dude, this is the first thing they should have covered, is the camera, right? It does come with a 16 megapixel rear camera with two 16 and 8 megapixel cameras up front. And if you're wondering what the picture qualities will look like in day and nighttime, you definitely should see these pictures. Let's get them rolling. So looking at those pictures, you can see that in daylight it does perform pretty well, but as soon as you get to nighttime, the pictures start to look a bit grainy. If that is a problem for you, then definitely maybe you should start looking at other options. But there is night mode, which does make the pictures look a bit more vibrant, a bit more clearer, a bit more crisp, as compared to just using the normal shooting mode. And final thing that does determine whether you buy this phone or not is the price, right? So currently on Takealot, I think it goes for about 5,000 rand. If you're in South Africa, that is a fairly reasonable price, I think. And for people out there who are going to buy on Amazon or any of these internet websites, you should be looking at just about plus or minus 400 bucks. Definitely, I'll leave links down below. And the final question is, okay, you've spoken about all these great things about this phone. Should we be getting this phone? And my answer is, I'm not saying that this is the best phone that is out there for this price, right? There might be other better phones out there, but for me, with my experience, right, I definitely think that if you do want to get into the Samsung ecosystem with a good phone, with the value for the money at this point, I definitely feel that this should be a phone you should be looking at, right? There are other options out there like the Poco phone or other phones out there that do perform pretty well, considering that this at this price range doesn't shoot 4K videos. It only shoots 1080p at 30 frames per second, which for me is not bad because that's what I used to start this channel. But yeah, the final decision is up to you. It's in your pockets. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Be the cool girl, guy who puts a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to leave a sub down below. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.